Our next exercise science lab today, we talked about a little bit of programming 101 and terminology, supersetting, and then accessory exercises. All right. So number one is supersetting. Is just the pairing of two exercises, but typically when we superset something, we'll do opposite muscle groups. Meaning, if I want to cut down a little bit of time, be a little bit more efficient, or maybe just the programming has worked out this way, we talked about pressing motions or movements this week. So pressing and pushing, push-ups, barbell presses, dumbbell presses. If I were to superset an exercise with that, I would do some sort of pull. So one example I have set up here is a cable pull. So if I was going to do maybe a cable press with both arms going out, I would superset with a cable pull. So split stance, cable pull. All right, my elbows are coming out about 20, 30 degrees from my side. I'm going to pull there. All right. So if I'm doing dumbbell incline presses, I may superset with a dumbbell row. If I'm going to do a barbell bench press, I might superset with a barbell row. All right. Especially if I'm in a busy gym, sometimes it works out well to do like all dumbbell moves for a press and a pull, or all barbell moves for press and a pull, or cables, so you're not bouncing all over the gym, taking up 3 pieces of equipment. All right. The second one is accessory. So we talk about your primary moves and your accessory moves. So I'm going to work on my press. I'm typically going to do some sort of barbell press, some sort of dumbbell press, and/or some sort of cable press. Those are the primary moves, and you can situate those however you want as far as what your priority is, what your heaviest weight's going to be. Typically, your barbell press, for me, it would be my dumbbell press. My accessory move then can be either a push-up, something that's going to be not quite as heavy unless I load that with a vest or something like that, or an accessory move, meaning my pressing muscles, my primary movers are my chest, my pecs. My accessory, my secondary movers, all right, if we're doing our jam analysis, our joint action muscle analysis, is my tricep. So if I'm going to do barbell presses and dumbbell presses, my accessory movements might be something like an overhead cable tricep extension. It might be a standing cable tricep press down, or something like a dumbbell tricep press, or a dumbbell tricep extension, like a skull crusher. All right. So supersets and accessory movements, you want to work those into developing your program, especially if you're doing some sort of push-pull, upper body, lower body workout. And then know which ones are your primary moves and which ones are your accessory moves. And then there's a little different rhyme or reason of how you set those up. All right. Little programming 101 this week in lab. I'll see you next time. I'll see you